Hello guys, what I'm going to show you today is how you can use the Courier in Dota 2. Now the Courier is a battle unit that is going to deliver items from the shop to your hero, okay? Now effective Courier usage can give you a significant advantage in the landing phase. So how are you going to do this? The first thing that you need to do, of course, is to purchase items. When you buy items from the shop, they will go to your stats, okay? Now, what are you gonna do is you're gonna press F2 in order to call the courier. Okay, here it is, the courier. This is gonna be the default key, by the way. Pressing this is gonna instruct the courier to pick up your items from the stands and deliver them to you. Okay, here are the different keys that you can use. First of all, the select courier is going to be giving into the F3 key. Okay, again, F3. So if you have any items, they're going to be delivered to you. That's very important to notice. Then you can press E for the courier to travel to you and give you the items. Okay, so basically the courier is going to pick up the items with F3 and then pressing E, they're going to give them to you with this key. Now also you can instruct the courier to return to base using the R key. And finally, you can speed burst the courier using the F key. This is going to give the courier a temporary burst of speed, which is going to be useful for dodging gangs or getting items to you quickly, guys. Alright? So yeah, that's pretty much it, and thank you so much.